This is the Polycom SoundStation 2W Non-X conference phone. The 2W is a wireless conference system without cords, allowing you and your team to collaborate in any room, even rooms without phone lines. Compared to the SoundStation 2W-EX model, the 2W Non-X version is not expandable with Polycom external mics. The 2W features a wireless range of 150 feet and acoustic clarity technology. Included with the Polycom SoundStation 2W is the base unit, 2 AC adapters, line cord, and battery. Here at Atlas Phones, we have over 40,000 square feet of telecom inventory and offer same-day shipping on orders placed by 5 p.m. Each of our products include a 1-year warranty with extended warranty options available for up to 5 years. We've been helping people in business since 1998, and we hope this video helped you too. You can give us a call today at 888-567-5194 or visit our website www.atlasphones.com.